Hey guys, welcome to our channel. I am the Uprio Ghosh and today we'll be speaking about the most demanded topic, that is roadmap to crack Cognizant. For the communication round, just refer to the videos available in this channel only. That should take hardly 1 hour and it will be more than enough. It's normally easy. If you ask for my advice, I would tell you to be clear, speak very clearly, don't rush, don't murmur, and don't stop in between. Just speak confidently like you are speaking to your friend in English. Okay, and English should be, of course, as I said, it should be fluent, it should be clear, sentence construction should be good. And that's it. So getting started, the most important part is aptitude. I've seen a lot of people who are good in coding, who have good skills, but still they didn't qualify. And the main reason is neglecting aptitude. So I repeat, please don't neglect aptitude. It's the most important part. A lot of people, maximum people actually, they are disqualified at the aptitude round. So don't take it lightly. Fine. Even if you have good skills, they are of no use if you do not pass the aptitude exam. So coming to the point, I would recommend you to practice aptitude from India Bix because it has moderate level aptitude and also it's basically engineering level. So it shouldn't be very difficult for you guys, and also it has explanations given. The next best thing is practicing previous year questions, which we will be solving here in our channel very soon, so stay tuned. Next, if you want to upgrade yourself more, then I would recommend you to go for a higher level, that is maybe government job level. Here you can practice from Unacademy, and another channel is Kaushik Mohanty. Like, he teaches very well and the level is high. So you can definitely try this for stronger aptitude base and also quite a higher level. Fine. That will really boost your confidence a lot. Plus, you will be able to solve easy aptitude questions also in very less time. So whatever sources I told you till now will definitely prepare you for the worst. Now the next most important thing is time management. How will you manage time? See, what you need to do is set up a timer whenever you are starting to practice. Fine. And you need to compete with yourself. Fine. You need to complete one aptitude question in 1 minute. And that depends upon the difficulty. You cannot cheat. If you are cheating, then you are cheating with yourself. Fine. Nobody is going to take that responsibility. If the question is easy, you will understand you have to do it within 30 seconds. If it's hard, take your time, do it, no problem. Fine. But the next day you will be solving the same question. Then you should remember that you solved that question suppose in 1 minute 30 seconds. This time you need to solve it within 1 minute. This is how you need to manage your time. You need to save time in your strong chapters and use that saved time in the chapters or topics you find difficult. See, verbal aptitudes take less to no time, whereas non-verbal or reasoning, these parts may take 30 seconds on an average. Even if it's difficult, it should take 40 seconds, not more than that. So stack up these saved time and use it in the quants. Because of course in quants you need to calculate, there is a lot, it takes time, it definitely takes time. But this is how you can manage. Fine, you are practicing, automatically the things should be in your grip. Fine. And also if you do it by this technique, then also you will be getting a lot of time. You will find it very easy. It will be smooth for you. Fine. In this way, just keep training yourself daily, and at the end of the day, you will definitely succeed. You need to practice aptitude for 4 hours daily. Quants and reasoning 2 hours in the morning, 1 hour each, and in the evening 2 hours for verbal and non-verbal. If you continue doing aptitude in this exact way daily, I'm sure you will be the ultimate champion in aptitude. So, our next topic is coding. I'll be providing you step-by-step way to crack the coding round. Firstly, you need to pick up one programming language and master it. You need to know the basic syntax and understand the language. Fine. Secondly, now learn about conditions like if, else statements, loops like for, while, and do while, and functions. At this moment, you should be able to solve basic mathematical questions. Third, learn about strings, arrays, and 2D arrays. Learn and practice coding based upon these topics. Fourth, understand and practice basic sorting and searching algorithms. That should be easy. That's not very difficult. Fifth, start practicing previous year questions and DSA questions based on these topics I just told. So if you sincerely give time to these topics, you should really be able to have a strong hold upon the most important topics required for this coding exam in just 5 to 6 days. Also, in between, gain some basic knowledge on time complexity, because sometimes even if your code is correct, it shows some error due to time complexity. So you just get some basic knowledge on that. You need to practice previous year questions which are already solved, and it's available in our channel. Definitely check this out. And if you want to level up your coding skills, then definitely go for Striver's A to Z sheet and try solving at least the array questions and basic questions. This will make you strong enough in coding, at least for this coding round. Again, you need to complete the code in time. So practice and try to complete one code in 15 to 20 minutes. Set timer and keep on practicing. This will definitely help. Now, for the interview round, you will need strong concepts of your programming language, OOPS, DBMS, and questions related to your project. You will need strong technical knowledge on arrays, strings, because you will be given some coding questions to solve on spot. Prepare for project related questions and HR questions. Here will be asked questions like, why do you want to join our company? Why don't you choose any other company? Such questions. Okay. So I would recommend you to give 3 hours daily to prepare yourself for these topics like DBMS, project, OOPS, and DSA. This should be enough. If you can't answer a question, just say that you can't recall the answer to this question at this current moment. Do not sit idle and do not waste the interviewer's time, because that creates a very negative impact. Keep a smiling face, be confident, and communicate respectfully and clearly. Do not look dull, okay, and do not look here and there. That doesn't look good at all. That looks very odd. Just look at your interviewer's eyes and answer your questions. Prepare your CV and introduction very well, and you will be asked questions from your CV only. Whatever topics and subjects you have mentioned in your CV, the interviewer will be asking you questions from that part only. Nothing new, nothing alien to you. Now, if you keep working hard daily according to this routine that I have told you, 3 hours coding, 4 hours aptitude, and 3 hours for your interview preparation, this should be enough. This should be enough and you will definitely succeed. Of course, you can always increase your time or manage according to your own needs. Other than this, just keep in touch with SQL and your tech stack related to your project. Maybe it's AIML or web development, whatever it is, because they will be asking questions in interview also from those parts, as well as there will be a round in coding round only, which will be dedicated to your project. Fine, like for web development, there is JavaScript, HTML, CSS. For AIML, they're separate. So you need to prepare that too. So that's it. That's all from my part. Keep practicing in an intelligent and smart way. You will see your results soon. In this channel, we have already covered coding questions related to Cognizant's previous year. So just check them out, solve them, and our aptitude solving will also be available very soon. If you need any kind of assistance related to your placements, feel free to contact me through Instagram, or you can also email me. Every detail will be given in the description. Thank you for giving me your time. See you soon in another video.